Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'll be sharing a recipe for chicken korma, chicken potato curry. So let's get started. Here in a pot I have about half a cup of oil, and to that I'm going to add one sliced onion, and I'm going to saute that on high heat until the onions change color to golden brown. A few more minutes and they will be done. You can also add the ginger and garlic at this point, but I like to have a little darker onions because the korma will have a darker color. I'm going to go ahead and add the ginger garlic, and I'm going to saute that on high till the ginger and garlic turn a golden brown color also. I will now add about half a glass of water to stop it from cooking, and because I use frozen tomatoes, I add water so it's easier for the tomatoes to defrost in there and quicker. So I'm gonna add the tomatoes, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook that till the tomatoes are cooked down. I will now add the spices. So I have half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And now you can add salt according to your diet. 1 teaspoon was perfect for the amount that I was making. I had now added the chicken. After you saute the masala and the oil starts to separate, you add the chicken and saute that on high. It roughly takes about 15 minutes when it gets to this point. Garam masala, and turn the heat off, and you're done. Now you can serve this with rice, with naan, roti, depends on your mood and taste. Let me know if you try it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more easy recipes. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button, and see you again with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.